Okay, dear students, today we're going to learn a new chapter, that is data handling. The word which is in front of us now, the word is the data handling. Data means the information. Handling means how can you handle the data, that is how can you arrange the data, how can you program the data, how can you organize the data, that is called the data handling. Data means information. All kinds of information in the unorganized form is called data. Unorganized form means a unsaturated form. That means which does not give any proper meaning. That is called unorganized form. Then data handling. Handling means to organize the data, arranging the information or the value of data in different ways with proper manner to obtain a proper meaning is called data handling. That means we have to arrange the data such a manner that a particular meaning have to come out from the data arrangement. That is called data handling. Let's take one example now. Suppose in a classroom, one teacher asks to his students to say their marks in mathematics in a test. 10 students stood and said their mark as 23, 35, 48, 30, 25, 46, 13, 27, 32 and 38. But from these 10 marks, can we get a proper meaning? No, because this mark is not in a proper manner or in a proper way. We can't say which person get how many marks and what is the highest mark, what is the lowest mark. Nothing is in a proper arrangement here. So we can say this as a unorganized data, and if we'll organize it, that if we'll arrange it in a proper manner like that, here in this arrangement the 10 marks is arranged such as their roll number, their name and their marks out of 50 in a test of mathematics, such that the roll number 1 named as Ajay got 23 marks out of 50. The roll number 2 named Arman got 35 marks out of 50, and as like that the 10 students having their names, different names, how many marks they got, all are in a proper arrangement. And here we can say this given data is properly and arranged in a meaningful arrangement. Okay, in this video we will learn some terms that we will use in this chapter, the data handling. Then in the next part we will do some questions on it. Okay, so let's start the next term, the frequency of observation. What is frequency? The number of time one observation occurs in a data is called frequency of observation. That means in a particular observation, in a particular given data, one particular value how many times comes, that is called the frequency of the observation. Or one observation how many times comes in a particular data. Okay. Let's take one example here. Here the data is the ages of 10 different people. The different ages are given of 10 different people. The ages are 32, 43, 57, 45, 32, 45, 32, 76, 32, 47. And you can see the 32, how many times came? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 32 came. That means the frequency of 32 here is 4. Okay. So let's come to the next term, arithmetic mean. The arithmetic mean is otherwise known as the average. What is the mean? The formula of mean, we can say the sum of all the observation or the sum of all the data values divided by the number of data values, or you can say the sum of all observation divided by number of observation. That is, if 10 data is given in a particular arrangement, we have to add or we have to make the sum of all the 10 data, that is the sum of all data values, and we have to divide it upon 10, that is the total number of data values. The total number of data is 10, so we have to divide the 10. So let's take the example. Mark of some students in the math test is given here, that is 23, 35, 48, 30, 25, 46, 13, 27, 32, 38. The mark of 10 students in mathematics is given here. If we have to find the mean, how can I do? What is the formula? The sum of all observation divided by the number of observation. Sum of all observation means sum of all the data. Means the 10 marks we have to add at first, that is the sum of all observation, that is 23 plus 35 plus 48 plus 30 plus 25 plus 46 plus 13 plus 27 plus 32 plus 38. And with the sum result, we have to divide it by 10. The result what we get, that is the mean. Okay. Then comes to the next term, that is mode. The mode is the number that appears most often. That means in a particular data, in a given data, the data value which comes maximum time is called the mode of data. And here in the given example, look at here, the given data value 26 has come the maximum time, that is 3 times. That's why here 26 is the mode. Okay. Then next come to the next term, that is the median. The median is the middle number when the number are in order. That means if the numbers or the given data value is in a proper order means either in the ascending order or in the descending order, then to the middle term of the given data we can say the median. In this video I am only saying the meaning of the term, and in the next part I will do some questions. Here in the median, different types of formulas there. If the given data is odd, there is a formula to find the median. If the given data is an even number, then there is another formula to find the answer of the median. And that all we'll describe, we'll learn in the next video briefly. And here for this part, the median, the meaning of the median is the middle number of the data if the data is in the proper order. Then come to the next term, that is range. The range is the difference between the smallest and largest number of the data. That means if we will subtract the smallest number from the largest number, the result we will get, that is the range. And here in the given example, the largest number is 28, whereas the smallest number is 15. By subtracting these two numbers, we are getting 13, which is the range of this given data. We can say in the given data, the range is 13. Let's see the another example here. The different ages of students are given, whereas the highest number in the given data is 16 and the lowest number given data is 13. So we can say in this given data, the range is highest value minus lowest value, that is 16 minus 13, that is 3. Here the range is 3. Okay. Then here I assembled all the values, all the terms, that is mean, median, mode, range. Mean is the average of the set of number. Median is the middle number in a set of data. Mode is the number which appears most often in a set of number. Range, the difference between the lowest and highest number in a data set. I hope you could get everything in clear. In this part we knew the different types of terms and the meaning of the terms, and in the next part we will do some questions that will find the mean, median and range by putting the formula. Thank you.